Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toofaced. If it's your first time here, and I'm a makeup artist and a beauty enthusiast based in Toronto, Canada. So this video is pretty much straight to the point. It's me showing you how I get ready in 10 minutes. As a new mom to a newborn and a toddler, and am I a new mom? You get what I mean, Abby? I now have a newborn, I have a toddler, I have a home to run, and I still have to to run errands and do work and all that. Sometimes all I'm able to pull off when I really want to look presentable. Even when I have more than 10 minutes, sometimes I still cannot afford to spend more than 10 minutes trying to do this because this is not how I look like on a regular on a daily. So I decided to show people like me, new moms like me. I keep using it. Yeah, I'm a new mom to a newborn. Moms like me, busy women like me, you're working every day, you can't afford it. You can't just afford it. Like 20-30 minutes is luxury and you want to do it yourself. This is me showing you how to pull all of this together and still look sweet. So if it's something that you're interested in seeing, definitely keep on watching. Starting with a clean face, I'm going in first with this Omaricode skin mist, and I'm just going to sprinkle that all over. And then I'll be going in with this serum from Omaricode. It's called their bedew serum. This is basically just for hydration. And I'll be going in with the play lotion from Supergoop. It's a moisturizer and a sunscreen all in one. And yes, this is going to serve as my moisturizer for the day. I'm just going to put that. Now that that's done, I'll be going in with this Yangabeauty Concealer in the shade 04. And I'll be putting that around... Sorry, this is 05. Just to cancel out the areas that are slightly dark. It's more like color correcting or evening out my skin. And I'm using the Viccabel brush to do so. All the products I'm using today will be in the description box below, just in case I forget to mention them as I go. Then I go in with my Makeup Forever foundation. This is their matte, I think it's a matte velvet skin foundation. And I'm just going to apply that around the areas where I didn't put the concealer. Then I go in with my Toofaced concealer in the shade Butterscotch, and I'm just going to use that to brighten under my eyes, a little on my forehead, my nose, and down here. While I'm leaving that to kind of like set a little bit, I go in with this Watch Me blush from, actually I'm using two. I go in with this Watch Me blush from TM Essentials, and this is in Scarlet and this is in Whipped. And I just put that here. Yeah. Yeah. I use the brush that I use for my foundation to blend out that blush. Sometimes I forget how pigmented this blush is. I take my beauty blender and I blend out that concealer. Then I go in with this tilbury powder and this puff, and I just set my under eye. And my forehead as well. This is the shade 02, by the way. Like I said, all products used will be in the description box below. Then I'll go in with this my MAC mineralized powder in dark, and I'll use the same puff, and I'll just spread that all over my face. Then I go in with this powder from Sephora. It's their Maccosmetics powder in the shade Sienna, and I'm going to use that as my bronzer. Yeah, just put that right here. I'm also going to use that same bronzer to kind of like just scrub my nose a little bit. Nothing serious. And also around my eyes. Just to add a little something to that area. Just slightly bring down that color. For extra security, I go in with the Hudabeauty powder in Blondie, and I just put that underneath my eyes for extra security. Right here. And this also helps me to further brighten my under eye. Now for brows, I'm going in with this pencil from TelC. It's a new brand. It hasn't launched yet, but I was sent the pencil and I actually really love it. Now, I really do not when I'm in a hurry like this, I really don't have time to start sculpting too much. So what I do is just draw a little something on, kind of like just fill in my brows a little bit. I love the pencil because it's easy to use, it's smooth, you know, it doesn't need too much work, and it's not waxy or greasy or anything. like so. I just fill it in so it doesn't look too, too sparse. And I take a little bit of my Toofaced concealer and I just pop the underneath. Oof, that's too much. And I take my NYX pencil in Downtown Beauty. Yeah, it's almost, yeah, Downtown Beauty. And I just line my lips. Taking this lip gloss from Patmcgrath, and I'm just gonna grab some mascara. This one is Hudabeauty. And that's that. I go in with that, with a little bit of that blush, or that bronzer, and I just all over my cheeks again. That's it. And then I take my Soopro spray. If you know this spray, then you know that whatever it is you spray stays that way. And this is the finished look, guys. This is honestly my right now. Sometimes when I have errands to run and I just want to look presentable, because the truth of the matter is not every day that you want to look like this, but some days when I just want to just look put together, this is all I'm able to do. Even when I have more than 10 minutes, I still cannot afford to spend more than 10 minutes, fixing my face. It's still giving coverage. One brow might be very accurate, it might not be like very perfect, but it's still like, it's still. And that's it, guys. Let me know if you found this video useful. Give me a thumbs up, like this video, tell a friend to tell a friend to my channel, keep me motivated. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay beautiful, guys. Bye.
There's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had, yeah.